I'm a 24-year-old future trader. I've been trading for about 4 years. I've been profitable for the last 2.5, full-time day trader. And here's 3 tips I would give you if you are trading GC, that is gold against the dollar. The first tip I'll give you if you're trading GC is always chase the liquidity points. Gold is run via liquidity. It's either attracting to liquidity or is reacting from just bouncing off a liquidity point. So what you want to do is you want to go on the higher time frame, either a 4-hour, daily, weekly, monthly, whatever time frame aligns with you, and always mark off the highest liquidity points. Then you want to go into the lower time frames and mark off the highest liquidity points made during the sessions: Asia, London, and New York. Gold is either going to attract to these liquidity points or it's either reacting from these liquidity points, i.e. it's bounced off the liquidity point trying to go to another high key liquidity point. Gold is always going on an uptrend, of course. When you see it retracing, this is just a retracement just for the higher uptrend. Another tip I'll give you is do not try to sell gold if it is on a uptrend. I see a lot of my new students try to do this. They try and anticipate the top of gold. Gold recently, in recent years, there has been no top. Every top has been getting blasted through. Pause. But you get what I mean? So gold has really been on an uptrend, making higher highs, all-time highs. And each time I see people in the sessions try and trade the pullback and they're getting wrecked. What you want to do if gold is trending is you simply want to wait for a support. If it's on a vicious trend, and when I mean a vicious trend, I'm talking about on the daily, on the weekly. I'm not talking about on a session. I'm not talking about a 4-hour trend. I'm talking about a strong daily trend. If you see it trending, wait for a support made on a lower time frame, whether that's hourly, 30-minute, and just hold your trade. Get into a trade and just hold it. You can either manage your stops, put your stop loss to break even, and just hold it. I've seen, if you've done this at the start of the year, which I've seen some students do, you would be in a lot of profits because gold has literally just been going up, and it's not going retracing down, grabbing sellers' orders. It's literally just been trending up. So yeah, another tip, do not try and counter trend gold if it is on a heavy uptrend. And the third tip I'll give you is volume. Gold moves the most at the times of volume. Gold can make momentous moves in the market when volume is emitted into the market. When you have a setup and it is matched with volume, you can make a lot of gains. If you match that also with basing off liquidity points, like we said in the point before, then yes, you're going to be very profitable. But how do you know when the times of volume in the market? There's different session times and there's different times of volume within each session. If you don't know the times of volume within the sessions, leave a comment down below and I'll DM you the times of volume.